Tyler here with PPC Foundry. I wanted to do this quick video on showing how to set up a Google Ads Manager account, or MCC. We do a lot of white label work for other agencies, and this is something we come across quite often is an agency doesn't have this set up. Typically, they'll just be added as a user to multiple accounts they may be managing or working with. And ultimately, that's not a good long-term play as far as just day-to-day account management. And even as you start bringing other people on, you want to make sure that you set up a manager account because it just gives you a way easier way to manage your client accounts and just view everything in one place and manage accesses and stuff like that. So we're going to walk through that process. It's super simple. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to want to make sure you go to this URL up here. It'll be down in the blog post as well, so you can just click on that. Or if you just Google Ads Manager account, the first link should bring you right to this page here. And you'll see that, it says Manage Clients and Campaigns with Manager Accounts. So once you get here, you're going to click on Go to Manager Accounts, that blue button, and then it's going to spin up. And then from here, just put in what you want your account name to be. Then you're going to, indicate what's the primary use of this account. As an agency, obviously you're managing other people's Google Ads accounts, or sometimes, a company may need multiple accounts as like a franchise, or if they have a ton of different locations with different billing methods, that's an option as well. So this doesn't really change anything. I think this is just reporting purposes on Google side. So just make whatever selection works for you, and then just make sure the rest of this information is good. And then you're going to click submit, and that's literally it. The caveat to this is you need to make sure that you do have a Google account set up, whether that's a Gmail account or you've associated your work email with a Google. So whatever that is, you just need to make sure you have that set up, and whatever you want that to be, that you're signed into that. So that'll walk you through this process really fast. So once you click submit, like I said, it's going to take you here to your page. So this will be your manager account. So it's going to look very similar to a normal Google Ads account. So the next step here, though, is actually let's start adding in client accounts. How do you actually get them connected to your manager account? So what you're going to do is you're going to want to make sure that you click on accounts, and it's going to auto pop here to performance. And if you do have accounts already, you're going to see those listed down here in the table. We don't have any, so there's nothing there. And what you're going to do is you're going to click this blue plus button, and then you're going to click on link existing account. And once you get to here, you're going to need the Google Ad ID from the client or prospect. And that's going to be up here in the top right-hand corner. It looks like a phone number, so you're going to need to get that from them. So once they provide that, you get that number, you put it in here, and you click on send request. And now you've sent that connection request. So the next step from here is getting the client to approve your connection request. And a lot of times what will happen, clients, can be not tech savvy, so that's an issue. So we're going to show you how to just walk them through the process, especially if you're on the phone. Just getting it all done in one fell swoop is easy. Sometimes too, Google will send out an email to say, hey, you have a connection request from this person. Do you want to approve? In the email, they can click the button, takes them to where they need to go. Sometimes that email doesn't fire, or it takes a long time for it to come. So again, we typically just walk them through this process. So once you send this connection request out, you're going to have them log into their account. You're going to have them go up here to tools and settings. And then they're going to drop down here to access and security. So they're going to click on that. They'll pop here onto the user page. Once they're here, they need to click on the top left tab here that says managers. So they'll click on that. And then from here, they're going to see that connection request. And then they just click accept, grant access, and then everything's good to go. You can start working on their account. So hopefully this was super easy, super simple, breaks it down well for you guys. If you have any questions, let us know.